Hey there, tech enthusiasts and Apple fans. If you're as obsessed with cutting-edge technology as I am, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the brand new, original Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. This stunning piece of tech is the epitome of innovation and style, boasting a range of incredible features that are bound to take your smartphone experience to a whole new level. With its generous storage options of 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and a whopping 1TB ROM, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your photos, videos, and favorite apps. Powered by the lightning-fast A15 chip and equipped with a genuine OLED display, this iPhone delivers unparalleled performance and breathtaking visuals that will leave you in awe. And with Face ID and NFC capabilities, your security and convenience are always taken care of. But wait, there's more. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is also unlocked and 5G ready, ensuring that you can stay connected and enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds wherever you go. And come on, let's talk about that sleek design. With its stunning aesthetics and premium build quality, this iPhone is more than just a smartphone, it's a statement. So why wait any longer? Upgrade your smartphone game today and experience the future of mobile technology with the original Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Just click the link in the description to make it yours. Trust me, this is one purchase you won't regret. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's dive into the world of the iPhone 13 Pro Max together. Cheers.